tools that can help you with your social media marketing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ife Oluwa, and today I'll be showing you 5 tools that can help you automate your social media activities using the Meta Business Suite. And the Meta Business Suite has been around for a while now. It is a platform where you can manage your Facebook and Instagram activities all in one place. It has all of the tools that can help you with your social media marketing and make it easier for you. You save time, you save energy. You can have people work on your team and you can all see the dashboard together. Now let's get into this video. For tool number 1, it is the inbox automation tool. You can check your Instagram and Facebook messages all in one place. You can check your comments, you can check several things, but there is a part of this tool that is called automation that goes a long way in. So the second tool that can help you to automate your social media activity is the content schedule tool. With this tool, you can automate all of your content ahead of time. Your posts, your reels, your stories. Tool that can help you to make sure of your social media activities on Facebook and Instagram. Hashtag organization tool. The hashtag organization, you do not have to find hashtags for different platforms in different places. You can do all of that from Meta Business Suite. In the right hashtags, make your content more discoverable Instagram and on Facebook. And with the Meta Business Suite, you can search for hashtags, you can save those hashtags, and you can reuse those hashtags. The fourth tool that can help with the automation of your social media activity is the A/B test tool. On Meta Business Suite, they have an A/B test tool that can test you in versions of your content to segmented parts of your audience. So what an A/B test tool does is, with slightly changing different parts of your content. So one idea, you can do different versions of it. Let's say communicate the same thing, you could change the captions on 3 different ideas. The final tool that would help you automate your social media activities is the social listening tool. Search for the insights on your audience, your competition, your reach, your engagement, which of your posts are performing better, your competitive analysis. You can compare your page or your business with another business. Those are 5 tools that can help you automate your social media activities. Now, to access the Meta Business Suite, go to business.facebook.com and follow the prompt. You'll be asked to open a Facebook account or to connect to an existing Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please like, share with somebody, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.